Why do me and you connect? I think one thing is we both have a certain standard that to be met. One thing is we don't like take time. We take action without
Yeah,
perfection. We don't wait for perfection.
100%.
We have a team that is there to support us, that if we want something, they jump in doing it. So we've set the bar that our team has to jump in. And then when our team is going through a challenging time, guess what? They step up because we deliver and give them the tools so that they always can step up. And that's the thing, I think, a part of recruitment is that you might have the best people. The challenge for me is the leadership on that, Coach Phil. Are you going
Yep.
to step up and support your team to step up? Because that's where most
Yep.
team members get failed, is because the leadership
Hmm.
don't step up and help the team to grow, because they expect the team to do it, but they're not willing to go into the trenches with them.
Hmm. So that's there. There you go. Number one, it is a culture where leaders are willing to go to the trenches. You got it.
Yes.
What is the next part? If we say, okay, I want a culture where leaders are meant to go, what would because those leaders who go to the trenches with these guys are going to be the leaders who help to create that culture where it becomes, this is what we do here.